Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and if you're into Huck's World. And yes, people, the Monday grind continues. And yes, I got an awesome watch face for you all to check out. This one isn't free. I know I've been spoiling you guys. I hope you all have been enjoying it. Now, we got some more freebies coming up, so just stay tuned. But right now, we got a paid one. I paid, what, 79 cents for this in the Gear Manager store? Not a bad watch face at all. I thought it looked nice. I thought it was unique. I thought it was great for a casual wear, whether it be the weekend or whether it be the work week. This one's going to fit all occasions for the most part. Now, the name of the watch face is called RK Soft Green Watch. Gives you the best of both worlds, analog and digital. I do like that red hand that has green at the tip. Very nice, very stylish. Now, even in the AOD mode, you're going to get the exact same look as if the watch face was on. And it's going to be an energy-saving watch face for the most part. Not a bad look for 79 cents. I like it, but at the end of the day, people, you tell me, is it a download or leave it right where it's at? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope your Monday grind is going well. And with that, hit the like button on the way out if you enjoyed the video. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.